When you're gushing to your friend about this new pen that you just discovered and you want to try so bad, and they turn to you and say, it's just a pen.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
I know what you're going through. I too feel the magnetic pull of fresh, new stationery in the early, crisp days of fall. But as your friend, I feel it's my duty to encourage you to resist temptation. And so we arrive at today's video, which is a back-to-school stationery anti-haul, because we're counterculture like that, and anti-capitalist. Let's get into it. It's back to school season and we all know what that means. Back to school shopping, stationery for days, and an empty wallet. I know the struggle. I myself have not been to school in 7 years, and yet I still want to go back to school shopping every single September. It's a problem, I know, I'm working through it. The first step is acknowledging that you have a problem. But listen, you probably, like 99% probability, don't actually need new stationery. And so, in the name of frugality and sustainability and financial literacy, I am here to encourage you to reduce, reuse, and recycle your stationery and skip the back to school shopping this year. I asked my Instagram followers what products they were currently lusting over and trying to resist buying, and y'all delivered. So I'm gonna go through the most mentioned items and convince you you don't need to buy them. You're welcome. Of course, if you actually need something, then go ahead and buy it. I'm not your real dad, it's fine. But if it's a want, not an actual need, then let's proceed. Notebooks. Now, I don't know your life. You could be watching this video pantless for all I know, or care, honestly, because the human body is a beautiful thing and you shouldn't be ashamed of having one. I'm getting off topic. The point is, if you're anything like me, you have a pile like this of unused notebooks in your house. I know you want a fancy new notebook. I get it. I totally do. I understand the pain that is wanting a brand new notebook and yet knowing that you have a bunch of unused ones at home that you really should use first. But listen, all these empty notebooks, they're just waiting for you to use them and love them and destroy them. That doesn't sound as good as it did in my head, but do them a favor. Boost their self-esteem. Use them first. Pens. Ditto. You probably have at least one functional pen at home, if not at least a dozen. How about you use them up before you buy new ones? If you don't, they're just gonna dry up all sad and alone at the back of your drawer while you forget that they even exist. And that's just so sad. Washi tape. If you're honest with yourself, and the whole point of this video is to practice radical self-honesty, you know that you don't even really use washi tape. And even if you do, you know that you use the tiniest amount of washi tape at a time, and those little rolls are literally gonna last the rest of your life. You don't need a new color or pattern. You don't need that pack of 10 just because they're on sale. I need you to go through your washi tape drawer. I know you have one. Find one that stands out to you and use it. You picked it for a reason. You must have liked it. Maybe it'll encourage you to make some creative new spread. You never know. Mild liners, brush pens, markers, etc., etc. The only reason you would need a new one is because you didn't already have that color. But tell me truthfully, do you already have at least one shade of every color of the rainbow? I think we both know the answer is yes. And so I ask you, do you really need a 14th shade of blue, or yet another variation on pastel pink? Or a slightly cooler toned earthy brown? I think we both know the answer is no. Stickers. Stickers are fun. We all love stickers. It's a universal truth at this point. But is it more fun to buy pre-made stickers or is it more fun to recreate cool stickers you see in your own style with your own spin on it to perfectly fit the size and shape and vibe that you have going on your spread? Let me give you a hint. The answer is it's totally more fun to make your own. Whether you're making your own stickers because you happen to have sticker paper on hand, or you're just doing the old-fashioned drawing in your bullet journal thing. It's fun and cheaper and usually less wasteful. Other supplies. I've literally had the same stapler and scissors for the past decade and they still work fine. I promise you, you don't need a new one, even if they are the prettiest things you've ever seen. Trust me on this. Literally no one ever has needed more than one stapler in their household. Of course, buying new stationery and supplies is fun, and sometimes you need something. You legitimately have a need for an item. and that's cool. But you have to be honest with yourself. If you just want a new version of something you already have that is totally working just fine, it's important to remember to reduce, reuse, and recycle. It's not all about the newest, most trendy, most Instagrammable thing. Sometimes it's about rediscovering your own collection and reveling in all of the creative opportunities that abound. You might be surprised by some of the hidden gems you've forgotten even existed at the back of your drawer. All because you've been lusting over that brand new Tombow pastel brush pen pack. Well, I hope this anti-haul helped to calm down your shopping impulse and to remind you that sometimes just because something's on your wish list, it doesn't mean you have to put it in your cart and hit order. Leave a comment down below with the #1 product that you are currently lusting over, and then find someone else's comment and encourage them to resist temptation. And your wallet and Mother Earth will thank you. Thank you so much to my patrons. Y'all are the real MVPs. Extra special sparkly thanks to our newest patrons, Amy, Dr. On Call, and Elizabeth, because apparently I attract Elizabeths in droves. Welcome to the squad, fam. I'm so excited to have you. If you want to join the Plant-Based Bride Patron Squad, check out the link in the description box or in the cards. We would love to have you. Happy back to school season, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye, friends. Don't forget to check out both my husband and my September Plan With Me videos. I'll have them linked in the end card.